she values to life.
Well, let's find out.
Right, I got you. Where I'm putting on my playlist. We're really chasing him. What happened if we're not going to do this shit in the daytime because it's bad?
Well, we're not going to pass, and we're not going fast.
Where's my hat? There, that works.
Oh, someone's calling. Oh, Sean's calling me. Just don't accept it. Or accept it. Up to you, I guess.
We're busy making content for our OnlyFans. What do you want? That the driver can't give
Well, I hope you know none of this is being uploaded because you're playing music.
Oh yeah, we'll get demonetized.
Yeah.
Fuck, we can't. I play music. We didn't get our own
I
custom
wonder if
beats.
that's from last night. Those fucking...
What you know? Whee! No, because I'm not high this time. The last night I was having a great time until he got me soaked and my balls got wet because he can't drift properly. No, I had my cup of cream soda in his little stupid cup holder, and he thought he was talking to me, and he didn't roll the water around like his grandfather, like his dad told him. So I got soaked, and now Liam can't take you to the beach or get a full tank of gas because he couldn't beat the FD.
What the fuck? Ooh. Look at
I know he
muscle
got
car.
He's scared to race my my Nissan Versa.
I am not.
Dude, that shit was
I
gappy.
am not. I am not scared of your fucking Nissan Versa.
Dude, that's short wheelbase.
Do you know what V stands for? VTEC.
The V is
We're going to look at a Miata right now.
Yeah. Because
Miata.
Margo Burr.
It's a cute little Miata with a 5-speed manual and the pop-up headlights and a soft top.
Liam normally gives me top, but this time we're changing it up. Out your exhaust can be, it's just whatever.
Oh,
it's not being
no.
uncomfortable.
The Miata's gone.
Just like my dad.
It was over here to the left.
New Cupid.
Frogmobile.